The Vietnam War, a conflict that still echoes through history, remains a testament to the complexities of global politics and warfare. Emerging in the mid-20th century, this war shook the world and shaped the geopolitical landscape of Southeast Asia. It was a time when ideologies clashed, where the fight was not just for territory but for ideals. It was a war that was more than a fight between two nations, but a battle of ideologies, strategies, and global influence. The war was a chessboard, with players from different corners of the world, each with their own motivations and strategies. North and South Vietnam, their fates intertwined, found themselves as pawns in a global power struggle. The United States, driven by the domino theory and Cold War tensions, intervened militarily. Other nations, such as Australia and South Korea, were also drawn into the fray, their roles influenced by alliances and ideological commitments. These players, fueled by their unique interests and agendas, shaped the course of the Vietnam War. Delve into the timeline of the Vietnam War, a series of events that shaped the destiny of nations. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century when the First Indochina War concluded with the Geneva Accords in 1954, leaving Vietnam divided into North and South. As the years rolled on, tensions simmered. The Gulf of Tonkin incident in 1964 marked a pivotal moment, escalating the conflict and leading to the direct involvement of the United States. Then came the Tet Offensive in 1968, a surprise attack by North Vietnamese forces that shook the world, turning the tide of public opinion and marking a turning point in the war. Despite peace talks beginning in Paris later that same year, the war raged on. The My Lai massacre in 1969 revealed the horrifying realities of the conflict, further fueling anti-war sentiments globally. The Paris Peace Accords of 1973 promised an end to hostilities, yet the fighting persisted until the fall of Saigon in 1975, marking the end of the Vietnam War. This was a war of decades, not days, filled with countless battles, political maneuvers, and moments of hope and despair. Each year, each event played a crucial role in shaping the course of the war and the futures of those involved. These events, each a piece of the puzzle, formed the intricate tapestry of the Vietnam War. The Vietnam War was a showcase of military tactics and technologies, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of conflict. This period saw the use of advanced weaponry and strategic maneuvering, with both sides employing unique and innovative approaches. From the dense jungles, where guerrilla tactics were employed, to the skies that saw the advent of air mobility, the conflict was a crucible for military innovation. These tactics and technologies played a critical role in the course and outcome of the war. The war was not only fought on battlefields, but also in the hearts and minds of civilians. The Vietnam War left an indelible mark on the civilian population. In Vietnam, millions were displaced, their lives turned upside down. Globally, it ignited a wave of anti-war sentiments, sparking protests and civil unrest. Personal stories and footage reveal the human cost of this conflict, an aspect often overlooked. The scars of the war still linger in the lives of those who experienced it firsthand. The Vietnam War left a lasting imprint on the world, a legacy that continues to shape our understanding of conflict and peace. Its impact was profound, reshaping political landscapes, influencing international relations, and forever changing the lives of those who experienced it firsthand. The lessons gleaned from this tumultuous period in history are many, reminding us of the perils of ideological battles, the importance of diplomacy, and the human cost of warfare. The Vietnam War, a chapter in our shared history, serves as a stark reminder of the costs of conflict and the value of peace. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. The Vietnam War was a complex chapter in our shared history, with each perspective offering a unique insight. We invite you to share your thoughts, reflections, and questions in the comments section below. If you're intrigued by these historical explorations, consider hitting the subscribe button. We regularly delve into different eras, events, and narratives from our past. Together we can continue to explore and learn from our shared history, one story at a time.